Hey designers, in this tutorial, we're going to show you how to create a gradient background in After Effects. It's a simple process, so let's get started. Use the ellipse tool to draw a circle. Now, choose a color for the circle. Then, select the shape layer and press P to access the position property. While holding down the Alt key, click on the stopwatch icon next to the position property. Here, we'll enter an expression. Type wiggle, followed by a rounded bracket, then 1,50, and close the bracket. This applies the expression. Next, duplicate this shape layer by pressing Ctrl+D. Move the duplicated layer downwards. Firstly, ensure their anchor points are centered. To do this, select the circle and double-click the anchor point icon while pressing Ctrl on your keyboard. Now, let's increase its size slightly. Continue duplicating the circles until there are enough to adequately cover the document. Once duplication is complete, assign different fill colors to each circle. After assigning colors, create a new adjustment layer by navigating to Layer, New Adjustment Layer. Now, head to Effects and Presets and search for Gaussian Blur. Drag and drop it onto the adjustment layer. Then increase the blurriness level until the circles almost vanish. Next, search for Glow in the Effects and Presets. Drag and drop it onto the adjustment layer. Adjust the glow values to your liking. Once done, you're finished. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.